women too suffer from what's called genetic hair loss. It manifests itself in a slightly different anatomical pattern to the men, in that female hair loss tends to be along the parting. So it tends to be a gradual split along the hair parting that generally gets wider and wider as time goes by and can go backwards to the crown. Hair loss treatments are slightly different with women in that we don't have the option really of the oral medication or the tablet form that men can have, just because of a side effect profile with it in women. But what works really brilliantly is 5% minoxidil or Regain. And a lot of people don't realise that that is actually an extremely good treatment for female hair loss with really excellent results. Obviously, transplantation can be used as well in female hair loss. Again, similar to the men, you need to have a donor supply of hair. So if you have an overall diffuse pattern of hair loss covering the entirety of your head, medication is the road to go down rather than transplantation, because you need that solid bank of hair at the back of your head to take transplant from if you're a suitable candidate for a hair transplant.
We do treat quite a number of women in our clinic here. The ratio is roughly 10 to 1. Not all women are suitable for hair transplantation, whereas the majority of men are, provided they have enough hair in the donor region. But in women, you can get a diffuse type of hair loss, which is either nutritional or hormonal in its basis, and that's best treated by a general physician or a dermatologist. But when women have thinning hair of significance, either in the frontal region or the top of their head, and they have good hair in the horseshoe region, then there's an awful lot we can do to help them.
Another area of female hair transplantation is female eyebrows, and a lot of women come in to see us having overzealously plucked their eyebrows into, I suppose, what becomes the eyebrow trend at the time. And now that we've reverted back to a slightly bushier eyebrow, a lot of women find themselves with overplucked eyebrows that eventually doesn't regrow and needs to be essentially transplanted at that stage. Not a lot of the topical treatments work for eyebrows. It's such a finite, small area that it's a very tricky area to treat topically, and hair transplantation works beautifully in that situation.